Hey guys, good day. Here is another great news for the Pi token. So another exchange is listing it on their platforms. It is called LetsExchange, and here is the official post in the X or Twitter account. So new listing on their platform. Swap it on Let's Exchange with 5,000 coins across 300 plus networks, and let's try if we can visit their site. So here, this is their site. It says here you can swap, buy and sell crypto secure and hassle-free. So you just click that link and it redirects us to this their page, and then here instantly there's a form where you can swap Pi token. So you can select, like, maybe you have Bitcoin or USDT. You can swap it. Swap it for the Pi token. So this is great news for pioneers. More platforms are recognizing the Pi network or the Pi token.